Hello friends, you might have thought how I am able to find out these kind of awesome AI tools and create videos on those. So today I'm going to reveal that secret. So I go to this tool, click on free tools and search by my category. I can see an entire list of all the tools for that category with free tokens, free plans, and if they have paid plans, what is the amount of it. I compare them, choose the tool and create videos on that. So if you also want to use that tool, let's see how you can use it. So what I do, I usually go to a tool called Toolify.AI. The best thing about this tool is you don't need to log in, you don't need to be a part of any membership, or you don't need to add any kind of credit card. You go there and start using it. Now let's check the Toolify header. Here in the menu, you can see the free tools. Let's click on it. As soon as we click, a new panel opens where you can see the complete list of free tools, organized category wise. You can also search directly here. For example, if I want the image generation tools, I'll type it down here and I'll click on it. The awesome part about this tool is I can see for each tool how many free tokens or free trials it provides without any string attached. And I can also see what is their plan if I need to buy, and I can compare all the tools right there. This is the best thing for me for the Toolify.ai. So if I like any tools, I can simply click on it. So it opens on new page where I can see the tools details, website, social media links, and many more things. So that is the free tool AI directories. Now let's move to the next menu, product. Here you will see categories like new AIs, most saved AIs, most used AIs, AI apps, Discord, off AI, AI Chrome extension, and GPTs. Everything is here. All of these provide different tools. For example, since I'm YouTube content creator, I can easily find tools from here. Next option is category. Here you can see how many tools are available in each category. There are wide variety of tool categories listed here. Then comes ranking. This section is also divided into multiple categories: monthly, category wise, region wise, sources, and revenue wise. Here you will find detailed ranking of different tools. So if I want to find out the best tools about a video generation in AI space, I just use this ranking. And I can also see how many traffics each tool is bringing every month. So if I see any trending tools, I go for that. Next option is job. You don't believe, but you can search for jobs here and you can find out the related jobs based on your skills. Okay. So if you are an AI guy, make sure you go and check out this tool. In that we have research. Inside this, there are two options: website insight and social listening. In website insight, you will see details like monthly visits, growth rate, categories, average visit durations, and much more. In social listing, you will see insights like video count, creator counts, monthly traffic, average views, average interactions, total views, and total interactions. These insights help you to analyze the tool's performance and reach out directly. So next option is submit. This option is for the tool creator. If you want to advertise your tool, if you want to increase the visibilities of your tool, make sure you submit it right there. Currently, Toolify.ai has more than 26,000 tools listed. Basically, Toolify is all-in-one AI platform. It's a social media for all the AI tools in the world. It gives you a full AI tool directory, listings, ranking, and outreach options. And of course, Toolify is completely free. So if you found this video helpful and helping you in any smaller way, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and you can also support me from this button. See you in the next one.